Have you ever wondered about the invisible threads that connect products, people, and places around the world? Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of our interconnected world: the impact of global supply chains on local economies. Before we embark on this journey of exploration, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. To comprehend the impact, let's first understand what global supply chains entail. These intricate networks involve the production and distribution of goods across various stages, often spanning multiple countries. From raw materials to finished products, every step is a link in the chain that connects economies worldwide. Global supply chains bring several benefits to local economies. They stimulate economic growth by creating job opportunities, fostering innovation, and facilitating the transfer of knowledge and technology. Local businesses, especially in developing regions, often find new markets through these global connections, promoting economic development. Efficiency is a hallmark of global supply chains. Specialization allows each region to focus on its strengths, contributing to the overall efficiency of the production process. This specialization, coupled with economies of scale, often leads to cost reductions, enabling businesses to offer more competitive prices. The landscape of global supply chains has been profoundly shaped by a series of recent global events, each leaving an indelible mark on how businesses and economies approach interconnectedness. Let's delve into the specifics of these events and their implications. The COVID-19 pandemic stands out as a transformative force in the realm of global supply chains. The sudden and widespread disruptions caused by lockdowns, travel restrictions, and outbreaks in manufacturing hubs highlighted the vulnerabilities of overly centralized supply networks. Shortages of critical goods, delays in production, and the need for agile responses underscored the importance of building resilience and diversification into supply chain strategies. The ongoing trade tensions between the United States and China have reshaped global trade dynamics. Tariffs and trade policy uncertainties have led companies to reconsider their supply chain configurations. Some have opted to relocate production facilities, diversify sourcing strategies, or reassess their dependencies on a single market. This geopolitical shift has prompted a reassessment of risk management strategies and the need for more flexible supply chain structures. The grounding of the Ever Given container ship in the Suez Canal sent shockwaves through global trade. This incident disrupted the flow of goods through one of the world's most critical maritime choke points, causing delays in shipments and revealing the fragility of tightly scheduled supply chains. It prompted companies to reevaluate the resilience of their logistics and consider alternative transportation routes. The semiconductor shortage has reverberated across industries, from automotive to consumer electronics. Increased demand for electronics during the pandemic, coupled with supply chain disruptions, created a perfect storm. The shortage highlighted the interdependence of sectors and the need for strategic stockpiling, supplier diversification, and collaborative solutions to mitigate the impact on global manufacturing. The environmental footprint of global supply chains stands as a pivotal concern in the intersection of economic activity and environmental sustainability. This segment delves deeper into the intricate dynamics of how extensive transportation, resource extraction, and manufacturing processes contribute to carbon emissions and environmental degradation within global supply chains. One of the primary contributors to the environmental impact of global supply chains is the substantial carbon emissions generated during transportation. Freight transport, whether by land, sea, or air, relies heavily on fossil fuels. Studies conducted by environmental research institutions have meticulously quantified the carbon footprint associated with different modes of transportation. The findings underscore the urgency of transitioning towards more sustainable transport solutions, such as electrification, renewable fuels, and improved logistics efficiency. Global supply chains often involve the extraction of raw materials from diverse regions, contributing to resource depletion and environmental degradation. Research initiatives focusing on specific industries, such as mining and forestry, explore the environmental consequences of resource extraction. Case studies provide insights into sustainable practices, responsible sourcing, and the importance of circular economy principles in mitigating the adverse effects of resource depletion. The manufacturing phase of the supply chain is a critical juncture where environmental considerations come to the forefront. Various studies have examined the environmental impact of different manufacturing processes, emphasizing the significance of eco-friendly technologies and sustainable practices. Life cycle assessments and environmental impact assessments play a crucial role in evaluating the ecological footprint of products at the manufacturing stage. Researchers delve into innovations like green manufacturing and the adoption of cleaner production methods to align industrial practices with environmental sustainability goals. The overarching challenge lies in striking a delicate balance between economic growth and environmental sustainability within global supply chains. This balance necessitates innovative approaches, policy interventions, and collaborative efforts across industries. Researchers explore the concept of sustainable supply chain management, advocating for practices that minimize negative environmental impacts while fostering economic development. Case studies on businesses implementing sustainable supply chain strategies provide tangible examples of successful approaches to this delicate equilibrium. In the 21st century, technology plays a pivotal role in shaping global supply chains. Innovations like blockchain and artificial intelligence enhance transparency, traceability, and efficiency. However, the rapid pace of technological advancement poses challenges, requiring constant adaptation from businesses and workers alike. Global supply chains are deeply entwined with international trade policies. Tariffs, trade agreements, and geopolitical tensions can reshape the landscape, affecting the cost of goods and altering the dynamics of global production. Navigating these complexities demands a nuanced understanding of international relations. As local economies grapple with the challenges, many are devising adaptive strategies. Diversifying supply chain sources, investing in resilience, and promoting sustainable practices are becoming essential components of long-term economic planning. Now, let's delve into real-world case studies that vividly illustrate the profound impact of global supply chains on local economies. Mexico has emerged as a manufacturing hub for the automotive industry, attracting major players due to its proximity to the US market and favorable trade agreements. The integration of Mexican suppliers into global supply chains has significantly boosted the country's economy. However, recent disruptions, such as the semiconductor shortage, exposed vulnerabilities affecting production and employment in the region. China's ascent as the world's factory is exemplified by its dominance in the electronics sector. The global supply chain for smartphones, laptops, and other electronic devices heavily relies on Chinese manufacturing capabilities. This has catapulted China into an economic powerhouse, with cities like Shenzhen becoming synonymous with technological innovation. Yet, debates over labor conditions and environmental impact underscore the ethical considerations tied to such economic success. Brazil's agribusiness sector provides a fascinating example of global supply chains intertwining with local economies. As a major exporter of agricultural products, Brazil's fortunes are linked to global demand for soy, beef, and other commodities. While this has contributed to economic growth, concerns about deforestation and environmental sustainability have prompted international scrutiny, emphasizing the interconnected nature of economic and environmental considerations. Bangladesh's textile industry exemplifies the socio-economic impact of global supply chains. The country has become a key player in the global garment industry, providing affordable clothing to consumers worldwide. However, issues like worker exploitation, safety concerns, and the environmental impact of fast fashion highlight the ethical challenges associated with this economic model. In conclusion, the impact of global supply chains on local economies is a multifaceted narrative. From economic growth to environmental considerations, each facet requires thoughtful consideration. As we navigate this intricate web, it's crucial to find a delicate balance that ensures economic prosperity, while addressing the challenges posed by an interconnected world. That wraps up our exploration into the impact of global supply chains on local economies. If you found this journey insightful, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, stay curious.